And welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at cholesteatoma.
A cholesteatoma is a non-cancerous skin growth in the middle ear behind the eardrum. While it's not a tumor, it can still cause serious issues if not treated. It can be present from birth or develop later due to repeated ear infections.
This skin is often in the form of a sac that gradually and steadily erodes the three little bones in the middle ear. Therefore, it tends to cause significant damage to the hearing apparatus, and unfortunately, this type of infection can spread to nearby areas such as the intracranial compartment, which is the brain cavity, resulting in things like meningitis and abscesses in the brain cavity.
Symptoms usually start off mild but can worsen as the growth becomes bigger and starts to affect the ear more.
The typical presentation of a cholesteatoma is of a discharging ear, with the discharge often described as being kind of foul smelling. There is typically no pain, but there's associated hearing loss. There may be some dizziness sometimes if the cholesteatoma gets into the inner ear or affects what we call the labyrinth, the semicircular canals, and that dizziness is typically described as vertigo.
Diagnosis is made through a physical exam and imaging tests. Treatment usually involves surgery to remove the growth.
What the surgery involves is essentially removing the skin from the middle ear cavity and also reconstructing the eardrum and the three little bones that are in the middle ear that we call the ossicles. This procedure has the potential to reverse the hearing loss, although that is not guaranteed because there are many things that can also be associated with it that can result in permanent hearing loss. But definitely what we try to do is to create what we call a safe ear and a dry ear that doesn't discharge.
If you have a discharge for more than 7 to 10 days, you need to see a medical doctor. If you're at risk, you also need to do regular ear checkups. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.